Hey everybody, it is the Bomb Hack here back with a brand new video for you guys today. And in this one we're doing a PC build called the exeleon. It is super cool, it's a good gaming PC. It will go through most games, good frame rates and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so for our first part, we have the Intel Pentium 4. It's a dual core, it's a great choice for this build. It'll get most of our games done. And on a low budget PC, it's totally good. It'll get everything we need done. It'll be showing up on screen, right? Next we have the MSI H81N E34. It is a great choice for this build and it'll be appearing up on screen right now. Now we have 8 GB of Crucial Ballistic Sports RAM. That will get all our game needs done and it will be appearing on screen right now. Then for our graphics card, we have EVGA GeForce GTX 750 Ti, 2 GB of GDDR5 RAM. It will get a lot of gaming done. It's a great choice. It will make gaming a pleasure. It will be appearing on screen. Next we have the EVGA 500 watt 80 plus bronze certified. It is bronze certified, which is a great choice. It means it's reliable. It will get all the power we need with 3-year warranty included. Great price. So yeah, let's move on to the next part. Now we have the 1 terabyte of Western Digital Caviar Blue hard drive, and it'll be appearing on screen right now. For our last part, we have the Roseville Micro ATX mini case, which is good for our build. It will make it good. I've worked in the case before. It's a great choice. So yeah, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Smack that like button if you want to see more PC build, and slap the subscribe button if you want to see more videos by me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.
Audio Jungle.